Hello everybody, today our subject is rounding up to nearest 10, 100 or 1000. Let's look. My first example is 13, so we should round this to nearest 10. Look, if it's my number is smaller than 5 like this, if it's smaller than 5, we will round down. But if it's bigger than 5 or it's 5, we should round up. Let's look. My first number is 13. I should look at the 10th. This is 1, this is 10th. So my number is this. So and I should look at my neighbor. My neighbor is 3. So that 3 is lesser than 5, smaller than 5, we will round down. This will be 1. The 3 will be 0. My answer is 10. And look at the second example. 16. We will round this nearest 10. First is 16, like what's tens. This is my number, and I should look at my neighbor 6. My neighbor 6 is bigger than 5, so I can round up to nearest 10. I can round up this. So I will add this 1. I'll add this 1. This will be 2. And this will be 0. So my answer is 20. 20. This is right. In tens, you should have 1 0. Let's round up to nearest 100. Hundreds. My first example is 170. Second example is 100 or 200, 230. Let's look at this. My first example, 170. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, because my number is 100. I should round up to 100. This is my number. I should look at my neighbor 7. So 7 is bigger than 5. So we can round up. This will be 2, 7 will be 0, and this will be 0. So my answer is 200. Let's look at this. At here, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. So my answer is this. I will look at my neighbor that 3. 3 is less than 5. So this will be we will round up down. This will be 2. This will be 0. And this will be 0. So my answer is 200. My second example, that thousands, rounding up to thousands, nearest thousands. My first example is 6,782. My second example is 5,600, or not 600, 258, not 58, 68. Let's say this. My first example, 6,782. I should look at the thousands, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So my number is this. I should look at my neighbor, 7. 7, yes, 7 is bigger than 5. So I can write here, I can round up to, I will add this 1. This will be 7. This will be 0, 0, 0. My answer is 7,000. Let's look at 468. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So my number is this. And I will look at my neighbor, that 2. My 2 is less than 5. So I will round down. This will be 5. This will be 0, 0, 0. So my answer is 5,000. Or you can understand like this. 782 is bigger than 500. So actually you should round up to round up. But 268 is less than 500. So you should round down. You can make this also. This is your choice. Okay, alright. Thank you for watching.